We have a superstar with us
We love
tonight.
when people know more about cannabis than we do.
Totally.
We met this gentleman a couple years ago, and he's so knowledgeable, and it's really great to have him here. We're really excited, honestly. This is a guy that knows a lot more about this subject than we do. He works for Normal. It's Bruce Margolin. He works for Normal. He's at 420laws.com. Bruce, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bruce. Thank you for being
What a kind introduction, and I appreciate it.
And we mean it. I mean, seriously,
Yes.
we
Well,
met you a couple years ago, and we liked you then. And then when I found out that you were coming on the show, couldn't have been happier.
Yeah.
Well, the bottom line is we got to know about the laws because knowing the laws and your rights is the only way to really stay out of trouble. And I like the people to stay out of trouble. So amongst other things, I provide this guide on marijuana laws, which I know you folks have already hit me up and said you think it's great. It is because it really tells you what the laws are. And if you read it, maybe you can stay out of trouble.
Yeah.
Many people come to my office,
He's got it.
and unfortunately they end up saying, gee, I guess I would have known that before that. I would have been screwed and been in jail right now, okay? There's all kinds of little details in that guide. It's called the Margolin Guide to State and Marijuana Laws, and you get it for free online at 420laws.com. You can also call my office. We'll send you a hard copy, and most of the dispensaries have them. I give them out. Of course, it's good for business. Let's get real, because people know I'm on my game. But more importantly, just as importantly, it's a tool that can help people stay out of trouble. Because again, no one belongs in jail for marijuana, and I'm down for that.
Every week we do the show, obviously,
Yeah.
and it seems like every time I scour these articles and do the research for the show, it seems that each little county, each little city,
it's all fucked
they
up, yeah.
change everything.
Block to
How
block.
do you possibly, literally,
block
stay
to
on
block.
top of it?
It's a prick
In
and friendly
Palm
mess.
Springs, there's Desert Hot Springs, Palm
Yeah,
Springs.
yeah, I got the whole
They're
list
all
of-
next to each other, and they all have different laws.
Totally, it's completely fucked up.
A lot
Okay.
of times when I speak to patients all day long, and I try to talk them through this morass, and again, I'm not doing it
Good
as an
luck,
attorney.
yeah, good luck.
All of your arguments would win in court, based upon what you're saying would win in court.
From your lips to God's ears, I
Right.
have no idea.
But
Okay.
theoretically,
Yeah.
you would win in court.
Yeah.
But you don't even want to get there. is your point.
But the problem is that you still may have to go to court,
Right.
because you got some law enforcement agent who doesn't really care. I mean, they're going to still sit there and do it. So now you've got to hire a Bruce Margolin.
Yeah, 420 Laws is my app.
Right.
My app tells you what to do if you get pulled over DUI. It has some suggestions on it. For example, things you do and don't have to do. One thing you don't have to do in a DUI case, which is on my app, you can listen to it, is a panic button. Tells you what to do if you get pulled over. Matter of fact, it also records the conversation on iCloud. So if an officer claims you said this or that, you wouldn't be
That's
tonight.
awesome.
And so we have to keep fighting the battle.